guys, so today I have got another Mindful Souls box to show you. Now if you haven't seen me open this before, it is an American box and it's $39.97. They do ship it worldwide and I have a discount code as well for 20% off, which is Ms_LunaLily. So I'll put it here on the screen now and I'll put it down below as well in case you want to go and get one. I'm not sure which one this is. I'm going to assume it's May. I'm kind of lost in the like, I don't know if everybody gets the same thing or whatever. I'm not sure if all months are different, I don't know. But I got one in April and I'm assuming that this is the May one. So you get a little card right on the top that tells you what is in there. I'm not going to go off that, I'm just going to show you, but this is the little card. And then today we've got a new little thing in here, which is a little booklet. I've not had one of these before. So this is the secret power of an attitude shift. It says, make room for joy. Monthly affirmation. Today is a day of happiness and peace. I am grounded and centered. I am grateful for my beautiful life that is filled with many blessings. I move through my day with consciousness, grace, and love. So it says lucky charms for May. I don't have any of these things, so maybe these are things that they sell on their website possibly, like a crystal lamp and different necklaces and stuff, so I'm not too sure. So it says May horoscopes. I'm assuming this is the May box. Yeah, just a little booklet of like informations and stuff basically. Hopefully I didn't bore you there. I don't usually read booklets and stuff. Next we have what I'm going to assume is a little sticker. It says new month, new beginning, new mindset, new focus, new start, new intentions, new results. So that is that. It's either a sticker or a little card. I can't really tell. And then we have our affirmation card for the month. This one is an affirmation for friends. It says, I attract only loving and uplifting people into my life. So you do get one of these every month in case you want to make like a little affirmation deck. And then this is what all the little bags and stuff look like. So right on the top we have some sage. And this is apparently blue sage, it says. So this is what the little bundle looks like. And for this it says, blue sage is widely used for cleansing and purification purposes. It provides spiritual strength. The use of sage to cleanse a home is deeply rooted in Native American history. They use sage for many purposes, including healing, energy cleansing, to remove negative energy, and ritual ceremonies. Use the smudge wherever you need to rebalance your mental body or emotional body. So that is our blue sage smudge stick. I don't love sage honestly, and I definitely can't burn it in this house, but I do usually either just give it to my mum or use it as like a little decoration kind of thing. So there is that. So this is what all the little bags look like a little burlap sack drawstring with the logo on them. And the first thing we've got is a really pretty little necklace. Just untangle it a bit. It's on a really long chain like this, and this is what it looks like. So it's kind of like a clear quartz, I'm going to assume, with other little chakra crystal colours going around it with wire. So this is a chakra clear quartz necklace. So it says, quartz brings strength and clarity to the intellect, aiding concentration and memory retention, filtering out distractions. It is a stone of clarity which spells negativity and clears away negative energy. It can be used to purify and clarify on the spiritual, mental, and physical planes. It is powerfully protective because of these properties. The precious and semi-precious gemstones work as a daily reminder of balance and harmony. So that is our clear quartz chakra necklace. Very pretty. It would hang roughly, I would say, like down here kind of thing. But you could always change it if you wanted it higher up like this. So that is that. Then in our next little bag we have a rough black tourmaline. So that is what that one looks like. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but we've actually got a nest in the chimney and it's got chicks in there that cheep and squawk all the time. So if you can hear some weird squeaking in the background, it's all the baby chicks living in the wall, which is very annoying, I have to say. I'm sure they look cute, but they are very annoying. So back to this. This is rough black tourmaline, and it says for this one, it's an excellent grounding crystal for meditation and healing. It soothes panic attacks, especially those caused by dark or confined spaces, which is super interesting because I'm really claustrophobic and I didn't know that. Or places where the atmosphere is frightening. Use this crystal for protection against moaners, whiners, complaining neighbours, or emotional vampires who burden you with their problems but do nothing to improve their situation. In the workplace, hold black tourmaline for a few minutes when you need to wake up your mind or when you need full concentration. It provides an excellent shield against environmental pollutants, electromagnetic smog, and radiation associated with cell phones, computers, and other electronic equipment. So that is very cool. I didn't know it had all of those properties. Hopefully the birds aren't too loud. In person they're really loud, but I'm not sure if it's coming through on camera or not. So there is that. Next we have this little bag, and in this one there is, oh, just a little rough quartz point, little clear crystal point. And for this one it says, quartz crystals are used for meditation and healing purposes. They radiate positive energy in a room, and this can be used to absorb the negative energies present. It's also used for protection and for transforming bad vibrations into good ones. It will enhance cooperation and harmony, and it will help your life force to remain positive all throughout. It will also offer a soft, gentle, and uplifting energy that will help raise your awareness. So that is our little clear rough quartz point. And then we have two left. So in this one we have a little ring. It's not my kind of thing, honestly. I'm not a very gold person. I know I wear these two on this little pinky finger now sometimes, but that's more a sentimental thing than actually liking gold. But this is an ring, and it does have the little symbol up the top there. It's also adjustable because you can squeeze it or you can open it out wider. So it just looks like this. And for this it says, it's a sacred sound that is known generally like the sound of the universe. The symbol is a combination of curves, a crescent, and a dot. The meaning of the symbol, while purely looking at its visual form, comes from the states of consciousness that represents. Wearing this ring, you can remind yourself that this treasure symbol of calmness can bring you ease, stillness, and calm into your daily routine. So that is our little ring. And then in this last little pouch, we have a chakra and lava bracelet. Now, I did think that this was like a little choker, but apparently you kind of like twist it and it's like a little double bracelet. I guess if you wanted to stretch it out, you probably could use it as a choker. It is kind of that size, but this is what it looks like. So it's got all of the chakra ones here at the front. It's got this little symbol one up here in the middle, some beads down here, and then it's got all these lava beads around it. Very bright and colourful actually. It is kind of like that bright in person, like it's showing up on camera. On the little picture on here, it does actually have a little charm, which mine doesn't have. So I don't know if they're all different or something maybe, but this is kind of what it would look like. I guess maybe mine has this little thing instead of that dangly charm. So it looks like that. And for this, it says, this bracelet represents 7 chakras in our body. They connect you with the universal energy and they affect emotional and physical well-being. They lie along the backbone and are responsible for controlling and delivering energy to individual areas of the body. We can use crystals to balance the 7 energy centers by simply adding 1 to 2 drops of your favorite essential oil directly to any of the lava stones. You will be able to enjoy the therapeutic benefits of your oils all day. So you can add oils onto these little lava stones. It kind of soaks it in, so you can keep that scent all day. And then obviously these are all little gemstones around there. So yeah, that was everything in the Mindful Souls box for me. I'll quickly grab it all together and show you all again at once. So we had the Chakra Clear Quartz necklace, the Rough Quartz Crystal Point, the Rough Black Tourmaline, the ring, and the Chakra and Lava bracelet, along with the blue sage as well. So all of these on here, I'll hold it up in case any of you want to read any of those things on there. I did quite like this one. I really liked the necklace and the bracelet. They were definitely my favourite items of this box. You'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below. I'll put all the information for them in the description in case you want to go and check them out, along with the discount code as well. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.